Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel Financeable. In this tutorial, we are gonna look at how to refer your friends to Bitget. Now let us begin. Well, as you can see, I have already logged into my account. In case you have not, do it right now. Now let's simply look at how to refer the friends. At the top right, you can see your profile picture right here. Click on it. Once you do, these things will open up. Simply scroll down, and right here, you can see your referral code. Simply click on it and just send it to your friend. Else, if you do not find this, what you can do is simply click on this app icon button right here. Once you hover over it, these things will open up. From here, in the promotion section, you can see something called as referral. Click on it, and as such, you will be redirected to this page. That is the referral program. From here, you can become a premier inviter. Simply click on invite now, and just once again hit on invite now. Once you do that, what you can do is simply copy the link or download this and send it to your friend. Else there are other options as well, like invitation activities. Here's coin buddy, invite friends, fortune wheel, and assist to earn. Simply select whatever you wish. For now, let's simply say I click on this fortune wheel right here. And once you do that, these things will open up. Simply scroll down, and somewhere along the way you will see a button that says invite now. Click on it, and the same thing will open up. Simply copy the link or download it. I'm gonna show another one for you guys. Now in another context, I'm gonna go to invite friends right here. I'm gonna click on it, and once you do that, right here you can see the code and the referral link. Simply share it with your friends. That is it, guys. That's how you refer your friend to Bitget. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.